Hello and welcome back to another Stable Lease YouTube video. Today we're going to be checking out this gorgeous Ascari Blue Audi RS4 Avant. Now this is an absolute beast under this hood and it is stunning inside and out. So let's take a tour. Going to start this video with an outrageous statement, but this is the best colour that you can get for the Audi collection. Now this is finished in the Ascari Blue. Just in the sun, the paint really stands out. It really shines and it gives that sporty look. It's so stunning. Look how low the suspension is. It's an absolute beast, and the colour really does bring out the carbon fibre features and the black trims that you get all around the car. So let's take a look at the front grille. It really stands out and looks really mean from the front then. You've got the big black grille. It looks a little bit plasticky for me, which is a little bit of a shame, but I do like the design. You've got the black logo, the black badging, that really stands out. You've got the cool LED headlights with the daytime running lights as well. You've got the carbon fibre on the air intakes as well as the front splitter. You've got the plastic front grille on the sides as well that hides the front parking sensors, but this also has the front camera just below the logo as well. So it's a really good design. So what about the side and the alloys? Now starting off with the alloy wheels, and these are the 5-segment spoke 20-inch alloy wheels that you get with the RS4. Not to mention you've got the RS red brake calipers with it, but these are finished in the gloss black. The low suspension really brings out the sportiness in the RS4, but I really like the design. They might be hard to clean, but black alloys is undoubtedly the best on an Audi. So then zooming out a little bit more, you get the black wing mirror, you get the black roof bars as well, but not to mention you've got the carbon fibre side skirt, really stands out and really makes it more sporty, but you've got the tinted back glass as well. But let's check out the rear, because that's where you're going to be seeing this RS4. From the back then, you've got the extended roof spoiler, that's in the Ascari Blue. I much prefer it as a body colour instead of a black, it just blends really nicely. You've got the black privacy glass on the back, but you've got the blacked out logo and the black RS4 badging. But as you go down, you've got the carbon fibre rear diffuser. It really stands out, but the biggest part of the rear is them 2 huge oval exhausts that you get on either side. They really make it a lot more sporty, and we'll listen to the sound very shortly, but let's check out the interior. So then coming on the inside, these are the seats that you get on the RS4. Now these are really sporty. You've got the leather seats with the RS embossed. You've got electronically adjustable. These are heated as well, and you've got the white and grey stitching all around it. You've got the leg extender as well. Now these are really sporty, really comfortable, and you've got a hard backrest giving that extra sporty feel. So then this is the interior that you get on the RS4, not to mention how much carbon fibre that you get. It's on the doors, it's on the dash, it's on the centre console. It looks absolutely stunning and it really does make it a lot more sportier. But we've got the big leather multifunctional steering wheel. Now this has got the gear pedals behind, the different views on the digital cockpit just behind it. So you've got all these different menus that you get, but if you press RS, then the RS mode does disappear or appears depending on the type of menu that you want. So that's really cool. I really like the different views that you can get on the RS digital cockpit. But moving over, you've got the infotainment center. Now if we scroll over to car, we have the different driving modes that you can get on this RS4. So you can get RS2, RS1, and this comes with comfort, auto and dynamic. Then just down below, you've got the free zone climate control. This is really cool. I love the red and the blue. It really stands out and it looks really cool. You've got the Audi Drive Select. This has got the parking aid, so it's got the front camera as I was on about, and it's got the side camera and the rear view camera as well, which is really cool, especially when you need to park. So that's got all that. You've got the cool little center console drawer to put your key in. This is the automatic, so it's got the gear selector there. And I really do like the inside of this RS4. RS4, not to mention you've got the Alcantara on the doors as well, and the Bang & Olufsen sound system. So then moving on to the back seats, because sometimes these are needed. Now you've got the same exact seats, the hexagonal pattern with the grey stitching. Now these are really cool and really comfy. Now you've got the Isofix anchors for the children's seats, which makes it a great family car, but you do get this centre armrest. Now this is just a plain old simple one, nice and easy, no cup holders, nice and smooth, and that's why I like it. You also have the climate control in the back as well, but these are dead comfy and you've got so much room, which is always a positive. So then moving on to boot space. Now this has got the automatic tailgate, so with 2 clicks of the button the boot will open, and this reveals how much space that you can get. Now with the seats up, this can hold 495 litres, which is plenty for you shopping in your golf clubs or going on family vacations. But if you're going on them bigger vacations, just for 2 of them, then the back seats can be folded down and give you an extra 1,000 litres, making the total of 1,495 litres, which is fantastic. And with the click of a button, the boot goes back down. So then on to power, and this is a big one. Now this is the 2.9 litre engine, V6 engine. Now this has got a top speed of 155 miles per hour, a 0 to 62 time in 4.5 seconds, and 444 brake horsepower. Now this is an absolute beast. Now this can be compared to the BMW 3 Touring. Now that is also an absolutely stunning car, but for looks and interior features, I've got to go with this RS4. It's so stunning and it's so comfy. So which one would you choose? Let me know down in the comments. But before we go, let's give it a listen. So then you've heard its power and you've had a tour on this beast. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I love reading your comments and replying back to you. But we have a lot more videos coming out on our social media, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, and a lot more on YouTube. So until next Friday, I'll see you later.